Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to change PSN avatar to your own picture. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to log into your account, okay? And once you've done that, just go ahead and open settings, okay? So once you've opened settings, what you need to do is to click on Open Account Management. So once you've clicked on Account Management, just go ahead and click on Account Information. Then after that, just go ahead and click on Profile option or open the profile option that you have. Then click on the Avatar option. Okay, so once you've clicked on Avatar, you should see a lot of options, okay? So now just go ahead and select the avatar that you want. And once you've selected the avatar that you want, just go ahead and double click on it. Okay. So once you've double clicked on it, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on confirm. Okay. And after you've clicked on confirm, that should change your avatar. And that is how you change your PSN avatar to your own picture. Okay. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.